Now, complete Bay Area news coverage. This is the 10 o'clock news on KTVU Channel 2.
A Bay Area nursing home is under investigation tonight after 2 patients suffered possible heat-related injuries. And hospitals all across the Bay Area are reporting a sharp increase in the number of people visiting their emergency rooms with heat-related illnesses. KTVU's Lloyd LaQuesta is in Burlingame with a live report. Lloyd?
Dennis, business is unfortunately very brisk right now for emergency medical workers. We're at the Bay Area Dispatch Center for AMR, the ambulance service. The calls have increased greatly as the heat wave continues. One county official says where a typical day is about 240 calls for a medical response, the number of dispatches has zoomed to as much as 390 a day as the heat continues. And that doesn't include people who are just walking into emergency rooms on their own.
I guess I passed out on the street yesterday, and today I'm feeling a little lightheaded too.
Just walking around, just going from here to there, it's just so hot, I mean, I'm just perspiring, just for no reason.
At the Santa Clara Valley Medical Center, officials say only the serious, life-threatening cases are being hospitalized, and people of all ages are seeking medical help.
They're getting dizzy, they're feeling faint, they are feeling muscle cramps, they're sweating profusely. Those are some of the heat exhaustion symptoms, and they know that they're in trouble, so they're either coming here or another emergency room or calling 911.
This Stockton nursing home is now under investigation by the state after an elderly resident died here from the heat. And the Hillside Care Center in Fremont is also being investigated by the state. 2 residents were hospitalized after temperatures reached 85 degrees in the facility. It does not have air conditioning. State law does not require nursing homes to have air conditioning, but says there must be comfortable and safe temperature levels, 71 to 81 degrees.
One of the major problems in California is that nursing homes are often warehousing patients. So they're not there to care for the patients. They see the patients as profit centers. And if they have to pay money for air conditioning and other improvements in the buildings, it reduces the profits. So it doesn't happen.
Niall McCarthy represented families in a nursing home tragedy 6 years ago. 4 people died in a Burlingame nursing home that had no air conditioning, and the fans in the building were pointed at the staff instead of residents. The state forced this facility to put in air conditioning, but there is no law making that mandatory.
You have time bombs up and down the state of California. You have facilities that do not have the appropriate safeguards to protect seniors during these heat waves. So we're going to see more and more reported serious injury and death.
Of the 56 heat-related deaths around California, the state is investigating 29, some of them happening in nursing homes. Live in Burlingame, Lloyd LaQuesta, KTVU Channel 2 News.